Faults. What are they? What do they cause? Tectonic plates. The top part of the Earth, or the crust, is believed to be split into many different parts. Each of these sections are called tectonic plates. The plates all have distinct layers of different types of rock, as seen in this cross-section of a tectonic plate in the Earth's crust. Faults. Faults are fractures in the Earth's crust along which displacement has occurred. They are most frequent along the boundaries of a tectonic plate, as they are the gaps between each. The rock on either side of the fault can pull further apart, collide together, or move against each other. There are three different types of faults. They are known as normal, reverse, and transform faults. Normal faults are when the rocks on either side of the fault are going away from each other or pulling apart, as seen in this demonstration. This movement causes the crust to be lengthened if underwater, or sea to be formed if on a continent. Reverse faults are when the rocks on either side of the fault are crushing together. This is seen in this demonstration. This usually causes new mountain ranges to form. Transform faults are when the two formations of rock on either side move along each other's boundaries in opposite directions, as seen in this demonstration. This movement causes a lot of pressure to be built up in the fault. What do faults cause? Faults can cause earthquakes. These are sudden releases of pressure which has been built up along a fault line due to friction. These earthquakes can cause major destruction or can be minor. It depends on how much pressure has been built up. This model shows a house being destroyed due to the ground shaking after a sudden release of pressure. Today, there are existing examples of all three types of faults. An example of a normal fault is the Red Sea. Because it is a normal fault, each side is pulling apart, causing the Red Sea to grow larger and larger each year. An example of a reverse fault is near the Himalayas. The Himalayas were formed because of this reverse fault. Because reverse faults push up against each other, each side of the fault is slowly moving up due to the collision. Because of this, the Himalayas rise slightly each year. An example of a transform fault is the San Andreas Fault. This fault runs up California in the United States of America. The eastern side is slowly moving south, whilst the western side is slowly moving north. It is because of this that it is predicted that LA will be near San Francisco one day. Because of the two sides moving along each other, pressure is constantly being built up. In 1906, a major earthquake in San Francisco occurred, causing widespread destruction. These are images from this disaster, showing what devastation faults can cause.